Thought I'd be a bit posh and set up the roach pole with the wire antenna for 11 metres at the new flat. Perfect setup. Completely temporary setup. Roach pole is cable tied to the corner of the sun terrace, which is directly above my flat. Drop the wire down the side, drop the coax down the side of the building, and it literally hung about a foot from my window. As you can see, couldn't have planned it better if I'd have tried. So brought the coax in, plugged it up to my 817, and look what I've got. At least S9 of noise. So I've got the altitude. I just, in that respect, haven't got the location. Bit of a dog. But hey ho. When I tune down the bands, plenty of signals on completely the wrong resonant band. But at least the height is a bonus. Have to try the G5RV up there or something. See if I can really annoy the neighbours with a sun terraced stroke antenna farm. I'm sure that'll make me popular.